Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lesson The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. Dear children, we already had two sessions on this. Today we are going to conclude the lesson. Okay. We have come across the important characters Sue and John C., two young artists, shared a small flat. And one day John C. fell sick and she was suffering from pneumonia, but she had made up her mind to die along with the last leaf. And the doctor said that something that troubled that artist John C. And later on, her friend Sue was able to find out what was the real cause and what was her in her mind. Then she came to know that she was counting down the number of leaves in an ivy plant, and she had made up her mind to die along with the last leaf. So that is the reason that the medicines are not working. So one day John C. was lying on the bed. Sue wanted to draw a picture. For that purpose, Sue called Berman, that is the fourth character in the story. Berman, an old painter, he was 60 years old, and his lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece. Okay, when that man was brought to her room as a model to uh, draw the picture of a miner, she happened to narrate the story about John C., who had made up her mind to die along with the last leaf. Suddenly, Berman left from the room, and that very night, he happened to draw the last leaf on the wall. Okay, I think, and suddenly this girl, John C., woke up next morning, but she could see that leaf was not falling. One of the leaves, one leaf was left in the ivy plant and it was not falling. And after continuous supervision also, it was not falling. So she finally decided that she had been a foolish girl, and she asked for soup, and also she asked for a mirror, and she even combed her hair and smiled brightly. Okay, and in that afternoon when the doctor came, and after examining John C.'s condition, doctor said, now there is a chance of recovery for that girl, because medicine started working in her body. But at the same time, the doctor brought a bad news that Berman, that old artist, 60-year-old artist, was suffering from pneumonia and his condition was very serious. I think from here onwards we have to start for the day. All of you take page number 47, the last part of the text. Yeah, we are at page number 47. The next morning, Sue came and sat on John C.'s bed. Taking John C.'s hand in hers, she said, I have something to tell you. Mr. Berman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. So, what news is brought to John C. by Sue? That Mr. Berman died of pneumonia. And the other day he was seen by the janitor. Who is the janitor? Janitor is a person who looks after a building. Okay, that meaning is given at the end of the text. A person whose job is to look after a building. So what did the janitor notice? That his clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. Mr. Berman was shivering, his clothes and shoes were wet. And why? Because he had been out in that stormy night. Okay. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. And what are the other things that they noticed in his room or near by his room? They found a ladder, through which we climb the wall or somewhere, okay. And lantern, that's a lamp, still lighted, I mean it is still burning near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paint on the floor near the ladder. They could also see some paint, especially green and yellow color. Johnsy dear, said Sue, look out of the window, look at that ivy leaf. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That is Brahman's masterpiece. He painted in the night the last leaf fell. Actually, that last leaf was not falling only because it was a painted leaf, that they came to know only after the death of Mr. Brahman. Actually, on listening to the story of Johnsy, immediately he left the room only to do this work. What was the work that he felt like doing? Painting a leaf so that it could save the life of Johnsy. Actually, it actually worked out. When the leaf was not falling only, she decided to change her mind, and she felt herself as a foolish girl. Then she started taking soup, and she looked at the mirror and all. That's why doctor said her condition is improving. So dear children, actually that man's wish was to draw a masterpiece. I mean the best work of art of a person is called masterpiece. So by drawing that leaf, he became famous. Why? Because even this young artist, Sue and Johnsy, could not identify that it was a painted leaf, though they were artists. That much realism was made in that leaf which was drawn by that man. So actually it saved the life of Johnsy. So we can say, what is the masterpiece of Burman? So masterpiece of Burman is the last leaf that he painted on the wall to save the life of Johnsy. And even the young artist could not identify that it was a painted leaf. So that's the end of the story, dear children. Now you can read it loud, read it silently, and also write down the important word meanings and the question answers which are shared to you through Google Classroom. Write and learn and complete the notebook. So before we conclude the day, let us make an immediate review of what we have discussed for the day. So today we started the lesson with the news that Mr. Brahman died of pneumonia. Okay, actually he was suffering from pneumonia for the last 2 days only. Whereas in the case of Johnsy, she had been ill for quite number of days, but she was not willing to survive. But when she happened to see that last leaf was not falling, she changed her mind, and she started responding to the medicine. But in the case of this old man, he was quite old, and he exposed himself to rain only to draw the last leaf on the wall. He developed a kind of what you call disease that is called pneumonia here, and he died of that. Okay, and later on this young artist found that the last leaf was not wavering along with the wind, only because it was drawn by Mr. Brahman, and actually that saved the life of Johnsy. Okay. How did they come to know that the leaf was painted by him? Because they could see near his bed some green color or yellow paints, and also a brush which was wet, and there was ladder also, and they could also see a lantern. So all these evidences are telling that that leaf was painted by Burman only to save the life of Johnsy. So dear children, that's the end of the text. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.